Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blur a face in CapCut PC CapCut video editing tutorial. And for us to be able to get started, you'll just need to open a new project on your CapCut app. So click onto that. And once you're already in here, the first thing that we need to do is to add in or import the video that we want to blur a face in. So simply click onto the import option in here to go ahead and browse onto the different files that you have onto your device, or you could just simply drag and drop a video that you want to go ahead and blur the face. Now, as you can see, I have successfully added a video already in here. We're just going to drag it here onto the timeline just like that. So we're going to add this video again here onto the upper part just like that. So you could use the control shortcuts, Control C and Control V to cut and paste that, or you could just simply drag again the video in here. So what we need to do first, since we're blurring out a person's face, we're going to click onto the first video in here and head onto the effects. So we're going to search in here the blur filter, and we'll use the search bar so that it would be easier for us to find this. So we have this effect in here. We're going to drag and drop it onto the first video that we have in here. And as you can see, it has blurred all of the video that we have. So we need to click this one outside the blur effect. So we have the blue option in here, or the blue part. We're going to click outside that so that it would click the whole video, and we'll try to choose in the mask in here. So since this is a person's face, we're going to choose circle for that, but this is as per your preference. You could also use a rectangle or any option for that. So simply click onto circle, and this is what it should look like. So we're going to go ahead and position this one onto the face. So as you can see, it has blurred out the face already in here, and it should look something like this. And since the video that we have in here is actually moving, then we need to also move in the blur effect that we have in here. So what we need to do to go ahead and do this is we'll start here onto the first part of the video, and we're gonna adjust the blur effect as per its movement as well. So we're gonna add in a keyframe here onto the first part. We'll just need to scroll down in here, click onto this position in here to add in a keyframe, and the size as well in here. So do it like that, and then we'll try to move in the video to go ahead and fit this. So we're gonna go ahead and make this bigger just like that, and do the same thing of adding a keyframe again in here, and then onto the other part. Since it has moved, let's move it as well in here. Do the same thing of adding a keyframe, and then we'll try to move in again the video, and then we'll try to resize this so that it would fit the whole face just like that. And then do the same thing, or do the same process until you've covered the whole face in here. So as you can see, we have added keyframes already, and if you do a quick preview, it should look something like this. So as you can see, it has followed the person's face in here, even though it has been moving. So if your video is not moving, or the face is just in there, then you don't need to do the keyframe part. And that is just basically it onto how to blur a face in CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.